Good day everyone, my name is Ivy Tangalin and I will be the reporter on how to clean the data. So these are some steps on how to clean the data. Step 1 is to make sure that all the data encoded in this column, type of illness, are the same in terms of capitalization of the first letter of each word. Copy and paste it to Word and click the Capitalize Each Word button and go back to the Excel. Step 2 is to use the concatenate for formula to combine the column of symptoms 1, symptoms 2, symptoms 3, and symptoms 4. So, type the formula. So, step 3, after typing the formula, you will now see the combination of symptoms. To see all the result, just double click the small green dot in the lower right of the first cell. Step 4. Now, go to Visual Basic to create a code for removing the duplicate of the symptoms. Tap Alt plus F11 of shortcut, or you can do the manual. Just go to File and click the option. Go to Customize Ribbon and then check the developer, then OK. Then after you open the Visual Basic, click the Insert and Module to create the formula. Now, step 5, enter the formula to remove the duplicates of symptoms. Now, for step 6, the duplicates of symptom has been removed. To see all the result, just double-click again the small green dot in the lower right of the cell. Now, for step 7, copy and paste the column of symptoms in Microsoft Word to change a capitalized letter in every first word and bring it back to Excel. For the step 8, after combined and change the capitalized letter, remove the column of symptoms 1, 2, 3, and 4, and only the arranged symptoms column will be left. Now, for the step 9, just repeat all the process and steps on the column of prescribing medicines and treatment and control. The result will be the final output as the clean data, except the step 4, and you will see the final output. So, this will be the final output. The data is already clean data.
How to create non-numerical data into numerical data. First is you need to input the all data in the type of illness, symptoms, doctors, and etc. And also create two columns for the creating the numerical data. The first column is B and C, B, and the second column is C. And the types of illness, how to create the numerical data, equals sign, text to bin, they're getting the numerical data, but it's too long. How to get the 8 binary of this column B? It's simple. The codes is equals left open parenthesis, then B2 comma 8. close parenthesis. B2 because we're getting the column B, then 8 for the binary, 8 binaries, and so on and so forth for the symptoms, how to get it. Then that's it for creating the non-numerical data into numerical data, or how we create the binary code. Thank you.
Now, we only need first 8 numbers. To make it short, input the formula to the other column. Close open parenthesis equal left C2, comma 8. That will be result only first 8 numbers shown. Repeat the step of the column of symptoms, doctor illness, categories of illness, prescribing medicines, and treatment and control. The result will be final output as the converted numerical data. And this is the final output of converted numerical data.
Data. There are two types of illness, which is communicable and non-communicable disease. Different types of combined symptoms, prescribed medicines, and treatment to control. Statistics. Most type of illness is non-communicable disease. Most type of symptoms are cough, cold, and fever. The most diagnosis is common colds. So the most prescribed medicines are paracetamol and ascorbic acid. The most prescribed treatments are hand wash, covering mouth and nose to control. Chart. As observed, the symptoms found in non-communicable disease are greater than the symptoms found in communicable disease.
So here's the decision tree modeling. So there is two types of illness, which are the communicable disease and non-communicable disease. In communicable disease, there are two categories of illnesses, which are the acute upper respiratory infect or the conjunctivitis, and the second one is influenza, which is tuberculosis or TB. So the most prescribed treatments are hand wash or regularly washing our hands, covering mouth and nose to control. And also for the eye drops, cold compress, bed rest, plenty of fluids, referred to experts or experts. While in non-communicable disease, always remember that there are no treatment options that lead to curing a non-communicable disease from your body. So instead, we may go to our doctors for the medications that recommended lifestyle changes to improve our symptoms. Some of diseases have a genetic basis, however, other causes include lifestyle choices such as smoking and environmental conditions like exposure to air pollution, poor air quality, and poor ventilation. While these diseases are incurable, they can be managed with medical treatment. That's all. Thank you.